Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to connect Voxicon keyboard, updated. Start by powering on the keyboard and enabling Bluetooth or plugging the USB receiver into your computer. Open your device Bluetooth menu, select the Voxicon entry, and complete pairing. If pairing fails, remove old Bluetooth entries, restart both devices, and retry. Install firmware updates through the official software for better stability and customize key mapping if needed. Pairing over Bluetooth can be quick and smooth when you follow a few simple steps. First, charge the keyboard to at least 50% to prevent dropouts. Activate pairing mode using the keyboard's Bluetooth button and watch for the blinking LED. On your computer or tablet, choose the Voxicon device name and confirm any PIN prompts. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry the process after a brief pause. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more updated how-tos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer. Voice control plus smart mapping means less keyboard crumbs and more productivity. It handles hair, dust, and those tiny crumbs you never see until later, so it pairs nicely with a neat workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Windows and Mac handle keyboards slightly differently, so a couple platform tips help. Windows users should open Device Manager to confirm the keyboard appears without conflicts and update drivers when needed. Mac users should remove any duplicate Bluetooth entries in System Preferences before pairing new hardware. Installing Voxicon's official software lets you remap keys, set macros, and apply firmware updates that often resolve stability or feature issues across both platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.